What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Hey, man, it's another, I ain't gonna say beautiful day because it's still kind of snowing, icy where we're at. So, you know, it's still kind of ugly and I just know I don't like the weather. But it's still another beautiful day for us to make money, another beautiful day for us to start something different where we can get on top. And that is why I am shooting this video today, guys. You know, people hit me up, they're like, Jay, you know, I want to jump into business, I'm looking to make money, you know, things like that. I don't want to really have a product as far as, you know, lotions and potions and things like that. And guys, what I focus on is digital education. You know, I focus on ways and businesses and products that allows you to go out here and tell others, or allows you to learn something. You know, a lot of people, they want to go make money, but they don't know what they're doing. So they'll go chase family and friends, and then when family and friends don't bite, oh, it's a scam. Or no one joins them, it's a scam, I don't want to do it. We teach you, these programs is going to teach you the ins and outs of making money. We're going to show you strategies. You know, like anything else, you have to learn a skill to do it. You just can't go be the best salesman if you don't know the tactics of sales. If you don't know the things that people are seeing, you don't know methods that we're using to close sales and deals. But once someone shows you how to do that, it makes sense to you, and that's what these programs literally do. Okay? There's two programs that I'm actually promoting right now that allows me to earn instant commissions. And when I mean instant commissions, I'm speaking right away, guys. So if someone signs up, I'm going to get paid right away. One of the programs that I've been promoting for a very long time now, which is Easy One Up. For you guys that don't know, Easy One Up is a educational platform that offers a training tool. It's a vault of training. So each product level has video training. And those product levels are $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. So the higher that you go, the more training that you're gonna get, the better the training gets as well. Now, with that being said, I do offer bonus trainings depending on doesn't matter which level that you join me on, as long as you come in, because I want you to utilize Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads. I want you to be able to utilize these strategies to bring in sales. So regardless if it's 25, regardless if it's 100, I want you to utilize these strategies to bring those sales in, okay? And as I mentioned, these are all video training. So over the shoulder video training showing you literally what to do. Okay. Now with my other program that I have, you can actually earn unlimited $250 commissions, guys. This is also a vault of training as well that is going to show you guys how to pretty much make money online, but it's a one and done. No one-ups, no admin fees, and both of these programs are one and dones, okay? You don't have to go and keep paying monthly fees to be a part of these programs. No, it does not. So these two programs here, once you're in, you're in. Okay? So one, you can earn unlimited $250 commissions with a higher tier ticket on the back end, which goes up to $5,000, and you earn 20% of those. But then also there's my Easy One Up, which goes up to $2,000. And these are instant commissions, guys. That's why I say these are things that people need, because it doesn't matter. Even if you're not an online marketer, you can use these same strategies for any online business or any business that you're using. Okay? I love it, man. I love it. Both have communities that are great. Okay? So it's up to you on which one you want to learn. Now, the Fearless Momma, like I mentioned, is unlimited $250 commissions, and you're getting you're going to be a part of a mastermind, which you're going to have access to vault of training that we provide every Monday as far as new training goes. Then there's a vault of training in the back office, and then we actually close your sales for you. So just like Easy One Up, we have, you know, hangouts and things like that as well. We do have this in the Fearless Momma. So with that being said, you make the choice as far as which direction that you want to take. I'm just going to provide you guys the information. Easy One Up, I've been involved with that since, 2016, guys, and that program is still hot to this day. Okay, people are still coming in left and right. One of my business partners in my other in one of my other programs, she's also involved in this program in Easy One Up. She just cleared like $4,500. $4,500. What can an extra $4,500 do for you? Okay, so don't keep watching me. Don't go and set up a free account and don't do anything with it. Guys, lock in, man. Lock in. The only way you're going to learn this is by doing it. The only way you're going to make money is by taking action. Watching videos of me every day and wishing, it's not going to happen. So you guys have to be positioned. You have to position yourself to do this, okay? So you're going to hear me talking about educational platforms. You're going to hear me talking about educational programs. You're going to hear me talking about credit-based programs, things that are going to help you. That's the direction for 2019, okay? So guys, I'm going to leave the information right at the bottom for you to check it out. See if this is a great fit for you. International customers are welcome. I'm not just in the United States. If you are in the United States and only want to deal with the United States, then I do have things that I can definitely set you up with. But this is for international and top tier. You might just think, what's top tier? European, pretty much English-speaking companies, okay? That's what we call top tier traffic. English-speaking companies where it's not just in the United States. So, you make the decision, guys. Make the choice. You have the choice, all right? So I'm going to wrap this video on up. I got my kids' school calling. Got to take this. You guys have a beautiful and blessed day. I'm out. Peace.